Okay, we're given another population proportion out of the 100 people. So they polled 100, and it said 87 preferred candidate A. So I'm assuming this is my X. If that's what they're wanting me to do the confidence interval on. So, yeah, what proportion of voting prefer candidate A. Okay. Sometimes it will fool you, and they will say, well, X prefer or X equal 87 prefer A, and then they ask you, well, what's the confidence interval for those that prefer B, candidate B? And you would just say, well, then X is going to be 100 minus 87, so those that did not prefer A or preferred B would be 13. But they're asking for A here, so alpha is 0.05. The confidence interval is going to be 95%. If you forget how to get there in StatDisk, analysis, confidence interval, proportion one sample, confidence levels 0.95. If it was again 0.90 or 0.99, I would change that there. Actually, the sample size is the same. Number of successes here is 87. And evaluate. Don't look at this one. Look at this one up here always. So they're written it as an inequality. 0.80409 is less than P is less than 0.93591. And they're wanting this to 3 decimal places. Let me slide that over. Sorry about that. So it'll be 0.804 is less than P is less than 0.93. Yeah. So 0.93. That was a horrible 9. That's a 9. So 0.936. So again, we would say we are 95% confident that the true population proportion of those who prefer candidate A is between, and they may want you to write this as a percent, is between 80.4% and 93.6%, just in case you see it a different way. A lot of times when they publish things in a journal or paper, they will use percentages rather than the decimal. I prefer the decimal, but sometimes people don't understand decimals. So let's look and see what we get. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.